Hey, welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you some products that you might see me out and about with. So say it is a day of shopping, maybe with my little girl or a friend or a family member. These are some of the items that you will see me with that are going to make my life so much more easier and to help me stay organized. So we know sometimes when we're going shopping, we just throw everything in our car, or maybe our car is already a mess, right? These are some of the products that I absolutely adore. So the first one is our large utility tote. You will never ever go wrong with a large utility tote. How gorgeous is this print, y'all? It is absolutely beautiful. It's one of our brand new prints called Line Drawn Flowers. Gorgeous. It is made, this is like a canyon color. I think it's like a canyon pink or canyon something. It's kind of like a peachy color. There's a denim color, rose pink, charcoal. Absolutely gorgeous. And you can see I did the love. This is all the love icon personalization in the denim color. Absolutely gorgeous. So a large utility tote is going to help your car stay so much more organized when you can just put everything in there, right? Also, you will see me out and about with a boutique crossbody. So when you're shopping, you do not want your all day, everyday heavy purse, right? You want something lightweight, small, but still cute, right? So here is the boutique crossbody in the gray basket weave print. And you can see that I do have this paired with our '2 wallet. So this is also in that line drawn flowers print. And it looks so beautiful together. So you can see you've got card slots here, right here and on this side. And then you flip it over, you got a place for your ID, another card slot here. You got a little lobster claw, so you could hook a wristlet around here. You do have a zipper closure on the top, so you could put your cash or your coins in here. This is also thin enough to even put in your back pocket. Like, I love this, but it fits very nicely inside of our boutique crossbody. And then on the inside of here, there's a little do not eat packet. You see that? But it does fit in here, but you do have built-in card slots here on your boutique crossbody. Now, this has my A in here in white. And that serif is called the serif letter. And then this does have an adjustable, this is an adjustable crossbody strap. So you can adjust it. A lot of times I'll wear, of course, I always wear this when I'm out and about shopping with, as a crossbody, but sometimes I will cinch this up and then just wear it on my shoulder. So this is adjustable here. So you can adjust it all the way down and then just wear it on your shoulder like this. So it's so cute. I love this. So you will always see me out and about with the boutique crossbody and the '2 wallet. Next up, this is an around-the-clock thermal. This is in that worn check print here with a new embroidery icon. How cute is that? Excuse me. And then I put "give me a break" on here. I was trying to think of something really cute to put on here. I try to be clever, and I was like, what could I put on here? I was thinking, like, we need a break. We need to take a break, have us a little fruity drink. So I did this in the rose pink thread color in the modern font. Okay. So really cute. I love, this is a great size too for taking lunches to work. It also comes in multiple prints, even a charcoal if your man needs a lunch bag, but this is great to keep in your car for, for snacks or drinks and things like that. It's got a pocket here on the front, a little zipper pocket, so you can store maybe things that do not need to be cold, or utensils or napkins. And then on the inside of here, I do have stuffing. But you've got a lined thermal bag here with a little pocket so you can put your fruits or an ice pack in here. But this can hold like 6 regular size water bottles. So it fits very nicely inside of that large utility tote. Also, when you're shopping, you need an essential storage tote so you don't have to have those plastic bags when you are shopping. So an essential storage tote is a must in your car, and it is a must either if you're grocery shopping, like you have to have an essential storage tote. So I think that's great. Also on the inside of here, I do have one of our lightweight blankets. Oh my gosh, this is in the gray print. It's great when you're traveling, but it's so cute. I love it. So this will be with me when I fly, just to have a little bit of a cover up with me. It's also great in the car if your husband freezes you like mine does. So this is great. And then also traveling with me will be my All About the Benjamins wallet. So I'll take this from my all day, everyday purse and still put it in my car. And then I'll have my '2 wallet with like my essentials. So I'll, kind of move things over so I can have something really lightweight for the day. So I'll have, let me just grab that back out so you guys can that. So here is that 𝗧𝗏 wallet. So I'll grab out my all day, everyday things that I need, like my a debit card or a credit card, and maybe a couple of gift cards. Oh, one thing that you should always do is keep one of these either in your car, in your purse with your gift cards. Because we get gift cards at the holidays and then we just never use them, right? We're not going to use them if they're not with you. So put them in one of these and always have this in your purse. That way you're ready to go. But I will keep it all about the Benjamin's wallet with me inside of here. And then of course your phone, you can put your phone in here. And this is our stand tall insert. So it fits down inside of your large utility tote and gives you structure, gives you organization. It's great for all day, every day in your car. The only way to grab that stand tall insert is by hosting a party. So I hope it was kind of helpful to see some all day, everyday products that you can use to make your life so much more easier, so much easier, so much more easier. Oh, anyways, you know how you talk things out in your head. I just said it out loud, but thank you so much for watching. Oh, and whatever. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot to say this. Pair some products together with our customer special, y'all. So our customer special is for every $50 that you spend, you get a 31% off item. So you could grab a Benjamin's wallet and get one of these items for 31% off. You could grab your boutique crossbody, add personalization, and get your large utility tote as your half price item. You could get a blanket, pair it with a boutique crossbody or a wallet or a 𝗧𝗏 wallet, and you have qualified for a 31% off item. So never just get one product, especially if you're so close, right? Your cart's going to adjust to give you the best deal. It'll discount that 31% off item for you when you have $50 in your cart already. So many products to pair together to make your life so much easier. So if you're interested today in joining 30 Wonder, you just have questions, I'm happy to answer any questions that you have about joining as a consultant. If you are watching today and you want to host a party and you do not have a consultant, I would love to be your party girl. So you can get in touch with me on Facebook. I'll link everything below. Or if you just want more, you just want to know more, you want to see more. If you do not have a consultant, I would love for you to join my VIP group on Facebook. So I'll link that below. If you do have a consultant, please support your consultant. We are sisters all in this together and love seeing each other succeed. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.